Hello Click Designers! In this video, I'm going to briefly show you how you could add borders into your designs. So for example, I have this design and I want to add a border. All I have to do is log into my account. Then on the left side, I will click on Shapes. Right after that, I'm going to click on the Basic Shape category, and then I will search for plain borders that will match my design. In this case, I have a landscape design. We have several borders right here. We have landscape border, and then we have also landscape border 2. Then we have a horizontal border. For this example, we have a landscape canvas with this particular size or dimension. So I am going to choose and go back to Shapes, and then I'm going to choose this landscape border over here. After clicking it, I'm just going to drag it here and add it on the canvas, and it appears that way. And then all I have to do is just extend it a little bit to the right to make it fit in the canvas. Then I have to make sure that it is perfectly aligned, so I'm just going to fix a little of the edges right here. Once done, I could change the color of the border according to what I like or according to the theme of my design. To make our border thicker in width, all we have to do is tick the stroke option right here, turn that on, select the color of the border that you would like again. Once done, just adjust the stroke width according to the thickness or the width that you would like. There you have it. That's how it looks like. And from here, you can customize the appearance of your border. You can move it around, or you could change the color. You could change how it appears as well, and everything is even. Now, let's just say we have a square canvas. Let me go ahead and change the width and the height. So as you can see, it looks square. I'm going back to Shapes again, and then I'm going to select the square one or the square border. I can add the border to the canvas, stretch it a little bit until all the edges are covered, and then change the color of the border as well. So what if we resize it and make this into a vertical shaped rectangle? Let's make our canvas size into that. And this is how it's going to look like. So I'm going to remove this picture, and then I'm going to add a background so that we can see. I'm going to select the vertical border. I'm going to add it to the canvas, and then again, I am going to stretch it to cover all the edges of our vertical rectangle. I'm going to stretch it to the bottom, and again, exactly the same process. I'm just going to make sure that everything appears here correctly. I can also change the border color right here and adjust it. Other than that, you could add fancy borders. Just click on Elements and search for Certificates and Borders. And here you could choose whatever border that you would like to make it fit your canvas. I clicked on this border right here, and all I'm going to do is drag it on top and then also pull it a little bit to the bottom. Now let me change the canvas color so that we could see the border better. So again, all we have to do is select under Elements our certificates and borders that we could choose from, or we can also add basic shapes into our canvas so that we can create nice borders. That's how easy and quick it is to do. Happy click designing!